Hello my lovelies, welcome to Vlogmas episode 2. It's Monday the 6th of December and it is grey and miserable and windy and wet here on the East Sussex coast. I need to pop to the shops but I don't feel very inspired about going outside. I have uploaded episode 1 of Vlogmas onto YouTube, so that's there, and done some Patreon bits and, you know, general admin, all the stuff you have to do when you run a minuscule business, not even a small business, like the teeniest, tiniest micro atom of a business. And I am currently making some soup, some carrot and lentil soup. I've got really bad skin at the moment. I don't know if it's the weather or just, you know, whatever, but I feel like a bit of self-care, a bit of nurturing needs to happen. So I'm going to share some of my self-care tips and tricks with you this week, should you be at all interested. And at the moment I am pattern cutting. Here's the pattern cutting happening on the pattern cutting table for one of the designers that I regularly work with. I'm not doing very many commissions now, but I do still work with her. So I'm doing that today. And then I have a beret, a hand knitted beret that's been ordered that I need to knit. So I'm making a carrot soup. I've made a stock from scratch. Lots of veggies all bubbled up in a cauldron. And then fried an onion and put some carrots in, and there's orange lentils. My great aunt, who was rather eccentric but also very wise, I'm sure she was a witch, she swore by lentils. So as part of my self-care, I am endeavouring to eat a lot better this week and just see if it makes a difference with my skin and just general, you know, feelings. And I am doing this with a little bit of Moroccan flavouring. So I've put some harissa spices in here, and then I will also put in, obviously not in this plastic pot, the za'atar seasoning, which has got a sort of a herb that's a bit like oregano, I suppose, and some other bits and pieces. I really like the flavours of Moroccan foods, and I think soups, just fresh handmade soups with just a load of veg and spices and herbs in, oh, we're getting steamy, are a really good way of getting a load of goodness into your body, and that has got to help, hasn't it?
Like, imagine if I found a package and somebody was like,
Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Cuddles. Not a scratching post, you know. I'm feeling a little bit more festive because I'm listening to A Christmas Carol read by Huge Grant, and it is really, really good. And if you have Audible, it's a free book to listen to. Yeah, when the storms hit on the coast, for anyone who lives somewhere like that, it's quite a thing. So I've got to venture out to teach my evening class. It's the last session. We're having a little Christmas thing. I'd love some.
Really delicious.
Mm.
So have you got an apple presser at home?
it's a, what is it? It's a juice.
Mister, no one. This is not helpful. It's not comfortable. Oh. Happy? Happy now? Happy now. Happy now. Hello. So it's fairly late in the day, after 3 on Thursday the 9th of December. I didn't really do very much yesterday because I was so busy that I just completely forgot. A new video has gone up over on YouTube all about making a sparkly dress into a sparkly top for part 2 of my Make, Do and Mend series. So really enjoyed doing that one. It is quite a momentous one because it's officially the day that I change my job title. So I have always been a professional seamstress or a bespoke bridal designer and maker, or a teacher way back when, full time. And today is the day that I officially become a content creator and a teacher, because this is how I've actually worked this out. I mean, I haven't signed any paperwork or documents or, you know, done anything like that. But it's just the first day when the work that I'm doing for YouTube, for Patreon, which is going so well, and just, you know, my online products that I'm creating are actually taking up more time, and the thing that, you know, I earn my living by, more than doing the seamstressing. Whereas just in October it was sort of really being a seamstress was the thing, with a bit of, you know, whatever you have to do on social media these days, which I really love doing. So, you know, from literally a few weeks ago, a month and a bit ago, where I sort of was wondering how to move forward, to this point is phenomenal. And I am so grateful for all of you who've been with me on the journey from the very beginning and just sort of cheered me on and encouraged me, because I don't think I would have had the chutzpah to do it if you hadn't been here. So thank you. You're really all incredibly awesome. I have some fabric to show you. It's quite seasonally appropriate, and it is something to do with Patreon, so I can't really go into it too much, but look at that. So I've got a tartan, and this is going to become something, and also some of it is for one of my daughter's Christmas presents, which I've really got to start making like now. So I've got a commission just to get out the way and finish, and that will be done by tomorrow. And then I'm going to be working on all the Patreon stuff because I'm a bit behind on it. I did get completely gazumped by what happened with Missy, so I am, yeah, a little bit behind, but it's all coming and it will all be all done for Christmas. And then the next January's one will be out on the 1st, and I'm really excited about that one. I'm really looking forward to it.
It's starting to look a lot more like Vlogmas. Thanks for watching, my lovelies. See you in the next one.